Gypsy baby girl. Hey guys, I'm at the Flamingo today and I'm going to take you and show you around and we're going to go see the beautiful flamingos. So let's go. A little casino floor and a little sports book. The garden bar where you can watch and all that kind of good stuff. Oh, and looks like it's a lot busier. Here's the entrance to Bugsy and Myers. It's closed right now. It's not dinner hours yet, but the food is amazing. Yeah. Super awesome. I like this casino. It's older. Has all the cool gold and still kind of, fancy but not too fancy. I think it's great. And here we have, this looks like there's some turtles in there. On that little floating pond. Look at how pretty it is. So pretty. This gypsy's gonna take you to see the flamingos. Oh, if I can get through the door. It's a push, not a pull. Yeah. We're out at the flamingo exhibit today. And let's get a look at these guys. Look at the pink railing. Oh, the pretty. So pretty. So pretty. Alright. So yeah, there's a black swan in here, it looks like. And look at the flamingos. Aw, look how pretty they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Looks like there's 8 of them. Aw. Look how pretty they are. Aw. Cool. I've seen them many times before, but they're so cool to always look at. How pretty this is. Look at those ones in the water back there bathing. That's so cute. Oh, is this one gonna come and take a picture for us gypsies? Oh, he's talking to us. Pretty they are. Oh, that one tried to bite the other one on the butt. Silly birds. Aw, so cool. This is a featherless skin, a black featherless skin. Oh, some sort of bird. Who knew? Oh, maybe it's over here. I don't know. We're gonna look and see what's in here. They have water turtles, so those are what we saw over there. The water turtle. Sorry, I wasn't focused. Look at that bird over there. Is that cool or what? And then they have some ducks. So that looks like a California brown pelican that's over there. You can't see him. He looks like he's sleeping. He's backwards. He's right there on the corner. I'm going to point to him. He's right there. You can see him. Oh, there he goes. Oh, there he goes. Look at him. He's so pretty. Can you show your feathers? Show your wings? Ah, you're gonna call me the baby girl bird whisperer. Oh, super cool. Oh, it looks like there's some fish in there. Koi, maybe. There's some other kind of fish in there. Let's see what it says. Try to get around here and see. It's a mandarin duck. I don't see it, but yeah, a few of the other ones. And look at him, he's showing off now. See, I'm the bird whisperer. Who knew baby girl was the bird whisperer? Made him wake up. That's so silly. How fun. We have these beautiful greens back here. And there's some more water back here. Oh, that might be some of those ducks that I was reading about, maybe. Let's look. Yeah. Let's go look over here. Let's go look over here. There's lots back here. This place is so beautiful. If you can come visit, it's worth it. And it's free. It's completely 100% free. You don't have to pay. It's free. You don't have to stay here. Literally, it's free entertainment. We love free entertainment, for sure. Look how beautiful the waterfalls are. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Oh, it's all the way around there, too. It's all the way back. They have white sturgeon. Yeah. So beautiful. So beautiful. It makes you feel like you're not in Vegas. Like you're somewhere else. Yeah. Oh, there's some more ducks over there. And there's some more flamingos over there. Another picture of the waterfalls. Here you are. There's some more. Waterfalls. Waterfalls. The pond in there. I can see the koi. You probably can't see it, but super pretty. Saw this when I was here recently. Had lunch with some friends. We'll be posting a picture from their room. So, oh, we need some luck. We need some luck. Rub his belly for luck, right? Here's their little water fountain. Super cool. Super, super cool. And the last water fountain is this one. It's a little flamingo sign. Super cool. Yeah, beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Alright. And this is all outside of the hotel. Huh. Like I said, it's an older hotel, but it's a nice place to stay. Looks like that's their little setup for the little wedding chapel in there. That's cool. That's super cool. And here's one of their pools. Oh, it has a slide. I never knew that. Huh. I didn't even know that. They even had a slide here. That's crazy. I didn't even know they had a slide. Who knew? I've never really... I don't think I've been to the pool here once. Maybe a long, long, long time ago. But part of it's closed. It's not really summertime yet. It came out today because it's no wind. It's no wind and it's about 70 degrees-ish. So I felt like it would be a good day to do my video for you guys. That's the pool. My hand. Yeah, the pool. Super cool. Love it, love it, love it. Alright. And it looks like they have day beds and all kinds of stuff like that. So, there's the slide again. That slide goes forever. Or maybe it's another slide that goes from the other. Oh yeah, it's another slide that goes in. That's so cool. That's super cool. I've never known they had that. I'll have to check it out sometime. Next time I come here, if my friends stay here or something, I'll use the pool. That's always fun. This is Go Pool Day Club. Fun. All right. Hey guys, baby girl here. I'm playing Ringling Brothers, and I just got a $160 wine head. Look at that. Woohoo! Oh my gosh, on 50 cents. That's freaking amazing. Oh my god, $160. Woohoo! Thank you, Barnum and Bailey's. Ringling Brothers, Barnum and Bailey's circus show. Figured I would give it a try, and look at the big win on 50 cents. Amazing! Oh my gosh. That is freaking awesome. Woohoo! Gypsy luck. Woohoo! I had $43 in the machine. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. And here's the Flamingo today. And look at this big win. Woohoo! Oh my gosh, that is amazing. And I was just trying to get the bonus again. Woohoo! Big win on 50 cents. All right. Let's look at all the New Yorks and all the wilds. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. All right. See you guys on the next video. Hey guys, baby girl here. This is Wolf Run. And this is $128.75 line hit on $2. I decided to take a risk, and yeah, the reward, here it is. Woohoo! Gypsy luck! Gypsy luck! Holy moly! Woohoo! That's insanity! All right. Thank you, little friend. Big win for baby girl. All right. There we go.